Right, so I found this rock today while I was digging under a giant chipmunk head. And as you can see, this rock looks like Dotson dog. But it's got to be a bird. You can see the whisker marks here. Or feathers. You can see inside the eye area here, it looks like that's the nerve or a muscle for blinking the eye. I don't know. And you can see feathers in there. Get it at the right angle so you can see the feathers. There's feathers in there. Little bitty small ones. And this must be his ear or something. But that looks like feathers. I don't know how well it comes out on the video yet. It looks like feathers going that way. But his nasals are in front. You can see the eye ring and everything under there. It's even got some material in here in his eye that has probably got some gene material in it. So you can check it for genetics. Find out what it is. But here looks like that would be an ear, a bird's ear. I don't know, but it's got the, this is the skull, back of the skull, the muscles hook in. You can see what looks like feathers right there. Right there. But it has just nostrils at the end of its nose. And yet it's still a bird. Look under here. This would be its. There's his throat hole. And this would be the back of his, in his throat and tongue area. But you can see the tube right there. And vocal cords. That's what those that little V thing is right there. So it was probably squawking. And there's feathers. Right there. So if anybody has any suggestion on what and who to contact for getting this genetic material right here checked out, I'd appreciate it. Because birds don't have whisker holes. And that's what this is. I don't know what these are. It's on both sides. Probably just the crack where his mouth was, because that looks like that would be part of it. I'm not sure. Let's see, it's on both sides. Anyway, I guess I'll call this bird dog.